Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech. Well, this is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'm just going to review an application known as Textfree, and I'm just going to inform you that whether this application is a good application or not, whether to use it in the year 2024 or not, and if there are any problems such as there may be many problems in the virtual number application such as sign up error or verification error. So if there are any errors like that in the Textfree application, then I'm just going to show it to you, and I'm also going to show you the ways with which you can actually solve the errors too. So make sure to watch this video until then if you want to learn everything about this specific application. So guys, come on, let's just straightly dive into the video. Now Textfree is an application from Pinger. Well, it's only especially for the people who are located in the US. So if you're located outside the US, you could find this error, that is, this item is not available in your country. But still, there are ways with which you can actually use this application. You can connect to a VPN. Like me, I have connected to a US VPN, and I actually have a Textfree application and I have a Textfree number. But still, if I just should inform, I was able to obtain a Textfree number because I already previously had a number which is not a virtual number but a real person's number who's located in the USA. So with their number, I was able to obtain a Textfree number. So if you do not have anyone like that, then it's going to be really hard for you. I'll state it why in the next few minutes. So right now I'm just going to give you the review of the Textfree application. Well, if you're able to make an account, then this application is one of the best applications. You'll be able to talk and text for free using this application. That's the reason why they have this application named Textfree. Well, they provide you with some amazing features such as unlimited group messages, text messenger, with which you can actually share MMS. Then you can call or chat with them, etc. So this application in Google Play Store has over 10 billion plus downloads, and out of the 10 billion plus downloads, there are over 496k reviews, and out of the 496k reviews, there are 4.4 star rating, which means this is a pretty good application considering the amount of downloads. Okay, we're just going to take a look at 1-star review. You have to be in the app to just receive any messages. You have to be connected to the best internet possible to talk to any of them. There's been times where I have to kill the app to receive messages and it doesn't even ring when you're getting calls. Well, these are the few bugs in the Textfree application. Well, yes, there are a few bugs in this application. But now, if I'm just going to cover the errors in this application, the first error obviously would be that this item is not available in your country error. Well, this can be resolved by using their web interface. You can just search for textfree.us and you would be taken to this page. Make sure to use it in a desktop site. If you just search for Textfree without directly navigating to the page, you just be showed with this simple message: looking for Textfree, call and texting app. This app isn't available on Google Play in your region. Well, me myself even don't have the app. I am just using this application using the web interface. I just enabled desktop interface and I connected to VPN, and I was able to successfully create an account. And I'm just connecting to the same VPN address, and with the same IP, I am able to log in. And when I was trying to send a message to someone, I was just showed with this error: your account requires verification before you can continue to call or text. I mean, you can still receive inbound messages, but in order to send outbound messages, you need to verify your account. What this means is that, well, there was a certain Textfree update in the year 2023. Well, if you want to learn more about the Textfree update, then there is a specific video for it. You can just go take a look at it. And what that update basically says is that it is a regulation passed by the US government in order to reduce scams and spams happening in the US. So what the US government did was it imposed not a law, but something like a warning to these virtual number companies which provides us with the free numbers. So they told that the people who are located outside the US and Canada, especially the people who are located in the Asia, mainly the Asians, the people who are located from Bangladesh or Pakistan, those kind of people. So they are the main reasons for scams. So what they want is to stop those people, Asians, from accessing the service. So that's what they did. So they introduced this verification thing, and this verification thing needs you to actually verify account using a number. I mean, using a real US number. I actually tried verifying using a virtual number, which I got from another virtual number application, and I was actually successful. But the account only lasted for a few days, and now if I try to log in, let me show you what will happen if I just try to log in. First of all, I'm just going to turn on the desktop site, and I'm going to click on continue with Google. I'm just going to not show you this step. As you can see, this showed me that one moment please, and it was loading, and I am still redirected to this page. I am not able to log into my account, which just means that my account has been banned or blocked by the Textfree. It was because one time I tried changing my VPN address, I guess because the server was busy, or I guess it was because of the also number verification. Well, you can actually solve this error. If you want to learn how to solve this error, well, there is another specific video in my channel, and I'll leave the video's link in the description and first comment, so please go take a look at it. Now I'm just going to give out my review whether this application can be used. Notice that if you have someone or you have a virtual number like me of the US, then you can obviously use this application. It's one of the best applications. But if you do not have any other numbers, then do not use this application as your first virtual number application, as this requires verification. But if you are located in the US, then you can use this application. But if you're in the US, there are some other best alternatives such as Google Voice or some other things. You can just go try it out. So guys, I hope today's video was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, then just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button in order to receive daily updates from my channel. So it's me Surya Prakash from Protech signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.